mysterious New Jersey drone activity may be deliberate distraction, hiding potential attack on the US, expert claims could very well get hit. The enigmatic drones looming over the tri-state area are likely a deliberate distraction by a foreign power trying to hide other nefarious activities in the US, one expert has claimed. These drones and this activity is too large, too well organized to be the work of hobbyists. Gordon Chang, a senior fellow at the Gaystone Institute think tank and author of Plan Red, China's Project to Destroy America. And this is what he told Fox Business. And that sort of these foreign powers, it could be Iran in connection with China, but clearly somebody's trying to absorb our attention, he claimed, of the numerous sightings of the well-lit drones. The thing that really worries me is that if they're trying to draw our attention to these drones, the question is, what are they doing elsewhere in our country? So we could very well get hit, warns Chang. In other words, it's like they're keeping the attention in one place, in one location, where something else is going on somewhere else. Mysterious drones have been looming over the East Coast, particularly New York and New Jersey, over the past few weeks, and with at least 3,000 sightings reported in the Garden State this month alone. The Federal Aviation Administration said it began receiving reports as far back as November 18. And here's what we know about the mysterious drones hovering over the East Coast. The drones first made headlines after a medical helicopter was forced to turn around. The Biden administration brushed off the drones, claiming most sightings were planes and helicopters mistaken for drones. New Jersey Representative Jeff Van Drew suggested the drones were coming from an Iranian mothership parked outside of the coast in the Atlantic. The Pentagon denied the drones were from Iran or any other adversary. The heat map shows that the staggering number of sightings are over one New Jersey county. Experts say there are only a few possible explanations for the drone sightings. Follow along. There's always by the hour updates on this. Tensions over the mystery flying objects hit a boiling point on Saturday in New York as the governor Hochul declared it's time to take action. This has gone too far, she said in a statement, announcing that she's asking federal authorities to authorize local police departments to shoot down the drones. Let's remember, some of these are the size of small SUVs, so they're pretty big. Now, on Sunday, Hochul announced that federal authorities gave the go-ahead to deploy a high-tech drone detection system to New York State to aid in the investigation. And this was from the New York Post on DNYUZ. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.